Evening walk in the Mathare slums. Someone is advertising over here.
Wahisani ya kampuni ya M-Kopa.
So tunaelekea area 4. So come along with me niweze kuwapeleka area 4 niwaonyeshe venye inakaa. Area 4 is considered one of the safest places in Mathare. Yeah, kuna Mathare area 1, kuna area 2, kuna area 3 where you come from, and then kuna area 4 where we are heading. I think it starts from here. You can see even the apartments around here looks a bit different. So it's considered one of the safest places, a bit better compared to the other places in Mathare. Yeah, so let's go there and find out for ourselves. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video. This is Turning Point Africa. Yes, taking you on a tour of every corner of this city, Nairobi city. Watu wanatoka kazini, so ndio unaona watu ni wengi kiasi. Okay. So ni idhaa ya watu kutoka kazi, na lazima tukue very careful. Nairobi siku hizi migondi imekuwa mingi sana. So if we go that way, you're gonna be joining Thika Road, and then you go to town, or you go to Thika. But as we are moving this way, you're gonna explore Mathare area 4. So it starts from here. Some businesses over there. Carpenters doing their best. The hustle is real. You can see even some older guys. We have some electric vehicles.
Elena va a Robin the Crimson. Elena va a Robin the Crimson.
So we are now entering inside this famous estate called Mathare Area 4. And as you can see, tall apartments, but the road looks very bad. Restaurants over there. There's a new apartment over here. Look at this one haikuwa hapo. Naona hata ndio inaisha, hata ikaja ingiwa watu. Nakaa hivi. And like where we come from, huko hawajaweka cabros au lami. Nashangaa mbona hawajafanya hivyo. So these are the streets of Area 4. Hivi ndio inakaa. Beautiful ladies over there. This is how this place looks like. Haikai mbaya sana. Shida iliyoko ni hakuna barabara, ndio inasumbua. Naona watoto wanachezea kwa this kind of place. Not that busy like area 3. People hustling everywhere. So from the look of things, do you think this place is safe? Lakini huku si kubaya vile. I have stayed in this place. Yeah. I have once rented here for a whole year. It wasn't that bad. Yeah. I even did business somewhere around there. I had a shop there. Although I did not succeed, the shop failed. But ni hali ya biashara. Sometimes business succeeds, sometimes it fails. Because even the business that you're seeing around here, most of them, they're not doing that good. The problem is that most of the people that stay here are students. So their buying capacity sometimes is compromised because they depend on their parents to send them some pocket money. So that's why you find that most of the time biashara za around hapa hazifanyangi vizuri because the buying capacity of the people around here is not one of the best. Although there are still families, but it's a mix of families and students. You can see there are not many streets. That was the first street, sorry, the farthest street, then the first one, sorry, the second one, then it's just as small as you've seen it, not that big. The reason why it's said that it's safe is because of this gate that we are approaching over here. At night it's normally closed, so thieves cannot come, and if they come, they cannot be able to do anything, because when they do anything, they're gonna be catched in between. Out of the many streets, hii ndio peke yake iko na cabros. Nashangaa mbona zote hazijawekwa. I used to have a business over here, this shop. I used to operate a kinyozi over there. Pia ika fail, but they have done so many businesses and they all fail. But that does not mean that I have given up. This YouTube business, we must succeed. That's why I encourage you to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Drop me a comment, tell me, do you think this place is as safe as it's purported to be? Ama ni stories za jaba? Kwenda We're almost finishing it. Yeah. Nikaa imeisha. Just like that. Tumemaliza soko. So we are done. Imagine that's how small this estate is. So tukienda hivi tunaingia Mathare, na huko ni dangerous, hatuwezi ingia na kamera, so lazima tuzimie hapa.